This presentation introduces a streamlined folder organization system designed to improve project management. Learn how to create clear, functional folders that enhance workflow and ensure everyday access to all project-related files. We will cover the overall folder structure, managing incoming client files, handling deliverables, organizing project files, and tips for maintaining consistency and clarity throughout your system. Start with a well-defined folder hierarchy to keep projects organized. This section explains how to name your main project folder. Define the purpose of key subfolders like in, out, and project files, and understand the benefits of a structured setup. Choose clear, descriptive names for your main project folders that include client name, project title, and date. This ensures quick identification and retrieval across multiple projects. Divide your project into three main subfolders: in for incoming client files, out for client deliverables, and project files for working documents and resources. This separation keeps workflows organized and reduces confusion. A clear folder structure improves productivity, facilitates collaboration, minimizes errors, and helps maintain version control. It also makes onboarding new team members easier and ensures consistent file management. Effectively managing incoming files is crucial. This section covers organizing files by date and client, labeling subfolders correctly, and examples of naming practices that keep the in folder tidy and functional. Create subfolders within in categorized by client name and date received. This chronological approach simplifies tracking files, versions, and correspondence over time. Use consistent labels including client initials, project codes, and dates. Example, year, month, date, to make sure sorting is efficient and intuitive. Examples include client name underscore project underscore incoming underscore and then the date, or ABC underscore corp underscore assets underscore in underscore and date, demonstrating descriptive and uniform naming that enhances clarity. The out folder manages files sent to clients. Learn how to organize deliverables by client and date. Label them descriptively and track versions to avoid confusion. Set up dedicated folders for each delivery round, named by client and delivery date, to keep all sent materials organized and easily accessible for reference. Include delivery dates and brief descriptions in folder names, such as client name underscore delivery underscore the date underscore final, ensuring precise identification of contents and delivery timing. Maintain clear version control by numbering files and noting sent status. This practice reduces duplication and miscommunication with clients. Organize your working project files thoughtfully by software and file type. Manage versions within these categories and include important research or stock assets in dedicated folders. Divide project files into subfolders based on software used or file format. Example, Photoshop, Illustrator, Documents, Excel, facilitating quick access and workflow efficiency. Use systematic version naming with each category, such as project underscore version 01.psd. This is for a Photoshop file, to track progress and ensure clarity about the most current files. Maintain separate folders for research materials and stock assets used in projects for easy reference and reuse. supporting a well-rounded project workflow. This section offers guidance on establishing and maintaining clear naming conventions, organizing folders consistently over time, and adapting the system to various project requirements. Develop and document standardized naming rules, include date formats, client abbreviations, and version numbering to ensure team-wide consistency. Regularly review and clean your folder structure to remove outdated files and prevent clutter, ensuring long-term usability and efficiency. You might want to archive some of these folders if they're not relevant anymore. Customize the folder structure to suit project size, team workflow, and client preferences, while maintaining core organizational principles for clarity and consistency. A simple, well-structured folder system enhances project management by improving clarity, efficiency, and collaboration. Implementing these practices ensures your project stays organized and manageable from start to finish. Thank you for watching.